You don't have to. Wow! Look what you did! Look what you got!
That's big one.
Look at me. Gabriel, look.
What?
Look at me.
What?
What'd you get?
Fishy, big fishy.
Where?
Big fishy right here.
Go pick him up.
Let Daddy get the hook out of it first.
Yeah, let Daddy get the hook out, and then I want you to pick him up, because that's really cute watching you do that.
Let's go.
Okay, pick him up, put him in the bucket. Go put him in the bucket.
Mom.
Oh man!
Whoa.
Give me 5! Yeah!
Whoa, there's no one.
Look at the fish.
Look at me.
Team Mario.
Yeah.
Hey, that's about enough fish, I think.